to hold her.
Yeah, I know, okay. I don't want to be in the picture.
Well, too late for that. I'll cut off your head most of the time.
Yeah, you're gonna eat it, aren't you? You're gonna eat it. You're supposed to eat it. Trying. She's alright. It's not. I mean, if she slips, I'll pull her up.
I don't think.
She'll be alright.
Dad, she's really not that strong as far as.
She'll be fine. She's like. Oh, she got it on video. Hey, for litigation purposes. I'm not so sure. Oh, my toy went that way. No, my toy went that way. You grab it. There you go. I gotcha. I gotcha. See what it's like. Turn around this way. Like that, huh? Like that. You put on a show with the back of your head here. Turn around this way. Turn around this way.
There's my big girl. Yay, big girl.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. You gonna stick your nails through a punch a hole in it? Go get it.
Yay!
Oh, I need windshield wipers. I need windshield wipers. What? You like the pool, don't you? Yeah. What? You can't go away. No. You can't go around. You gotta stay in the pool. I'm gonna spin the water around. And the toys will come to you.
Now I want to get out. Whoa.
I got it. Don't fence me in. Yeah. There you go. Pour it out. Watch. Go like this. There you go. Hold it under the water. Oh, she's alright. I'll get her. See, I'm okay. See, I got this pool thing down. I got this pool thing down. I'm okay.
Every time I move, you move your head.
Around this side.
There she is. Hi, big girl.
I got it. You're not supposed to be standing.
No
You're not
standing or running at the pool. No diving.
No jumping or splashing or having fun in the pool. But you're okay. You can't get any traction in there. So I can't get any traction in here. Bits of water like on her nose and everything. It's not bad out here at all.
Wow.
I don't feel like I need to breathe. Let me get some ice. Now you're in. You want to get out? Out. 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 Get me out. Get me out. Get me out. You're daydreaming something. You're daydreaming something. Hey, go get it. I got her. I got her.
You're all the way across the pool. She's okay?
Fine, babe. She'll be fine.
Yeah.
It's not like we're not here looking at her. Get your toy. Get it. It's all right, babe. Where'd it go? Yeah, it don't taste so good.
You get my camera all wet.
I'm trying to grab it. There you go. There you go.